Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys how to create that shareable link on a Google slide to be able to add it to your playlist. And you will do this if you have something like a Google Doc, a Google Slide, or Google Sheets to be able to turn your stuff in and allow me access to it so I can give you feedback on your work. So when you have something like a Google slide, you know it's a slide because it has the yellow, but when you click on these, it allows you to create your own copy. So you'll choose Make a Copy. Right, and even if you don't have to make your own copy, if you go into your Google Drive and find your own copy of the document that you want to add, the process is still the same, except for you have to go into your Drive and find it. So the first thing that I'm going to remind you guys to do is if it is a copy of and you're just starting it, you're going to change and put your first and last name in it, so that way we know that it's yours, and that way it makes it easier for you to search inside of your Google Drive. Alright, so first things first, when you have something that's going to have to be linked to your playlist, I would strongly encourage you to link it first. So if you look up here in the corner, you have this share. Right now it's locked, so only you can see it. So we need to change that. So a lot of people try to just copy and paste the link, and that doesn't work. You have to click on that share and then choose Get Shareable Link. That makes it so the link that you send out allows people to view your document. But now I need to be able to edit your document. I need to be able to tell you if something isn't correct or circle things that you might want to go back and take a look at. So please make sure that you make it into a Can Edit. So I clicked Get Shareable Link, Can Edit. Now I hit Copy Link. Once I've done that, I'm done so far with the slide, and I go back into my playlist. Down here, I will put something down, so like I could put Katie's work. I could put something like Click Me, This Is My Work, right? But you're going to write something so that way you can put a hyperlink to it. So now I've typed out I want it to be connected to Katie's work. I'm going to highlight it. Now I have two options. I can click this little link picture right here. After I've done that, it'll bring me to this picture, this little drop down here. I can also, so I've highlighted it, I can also hit the buttons Control K at the same time, and it'll bring the same thing up. So if I hover over this, you can see that it says Control plus K will do the same thing. Alright, and then I'm going to paste my link. So you can right click and choose paste, or you can again hit Control V, which will allow you to paste it. Now that the link is in there, I click apply. And so what you should see is if you hover over this, if you click on it, you should see your document name pop up. If you don't see your document name pop up, you have the incorrect link in there. And then to double check it, you always can test it. You can have somebody else click on it, because if you click on it, you have access to it no matter what, but it should take you directly to that exact same document. Now I tell you guys to do this right off the bat, so that way if you put it in there, you don't have to go into your Google Drive and search for that copy. You've already linked it. So let's say you started it in class and you need to finish it at home. You don't have to go and dig through your Drive to find it. You can just go into your playlist, click on that link, and it'll pull your copy directly up. And this process is the same whether it's a Google Slide, a Google Doc, or a Google Sheet. And again, I'm going to emphasize, please make sure that you make it a shareable and can edit link. And you can tell that it's shareable now by the picture that's on the top.